I really enjoy getting surprise packages in the mail, like this one. This is the Elite Equestrian Subscription Box. It's a new subscription service. Well, it's new to me. I have not heard of this type of subscription box yet, but we're going to open this up and see what's inside right now. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to a new equestrian video. And actually a lot of the videos lately on my channel have been equestrian videos, which if you're here for that, then you're super happy. And I promise I have some really fun DIY Christmas projects coming up. But for right now, I wanted to share this Elite Equestrian Subscription Box with you. So the young lady who actually created this box asked me if she could send me a box and I could do a review on it. And I was like, oh, of course. I love getting stuff in the mail, and I really, really love it when it is stuff that I can use on my horses. So let's open up this Elite Equestrian box and find out what's inside. All right, now we can open it up and see what's inside. Oh, that is so sweet. She actually included a card and she said, "Thank you so much for reviewing and promoting our box. It means the world to me. I hope that you and your equine friends absolutely love the products we picked out for you. Happy riding." The Elite Equestrian. That is so sweet. Well, I'm sure we're going to love everything that's inside. So, some cards for the Elite Equestrian Subscription Box. She is on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And that is helpful. That's really nice. It says thank you. It's one of the spiral coiled hair ties. And these things are awesome. They're really nice because it doesn't get wrapped around your hair. And I really like those. So already we're starting off with a bang. You can never have enough sponges, right? And this is one of those shrunk down sponges. It is a multi-purpose cleaning sponge, which will be very helpful out in the barn. Oh, and this is really nice. This is Phoebing's Instant Shine. And I've gotten this before, and this is so wonderful to put into your grooming kit, especially if you're going to a horse show, your room-side groom tote, for a fast touch-up on your riding boots. This lasts a really long time, and that is very nice to have. A candy cane, which I'm sure Pleasant will enjoy. He likes peppermint. This is so cute. This is an adorable little running horse keychain, and I actually have one of these on my keys right now. And I thought it would be really nice to have a key ring for my tack room key, because obviously I lock up my tack room. And now I have a key ring for it. So this is really nice to have. This is a twine cutter, and it's got a razor blade in the center of it, and it helps you to cut the twine that is around hay bales. So very handy to have in your tack room just as an extra. And it looks like it comes apart, so I can actually replace the razor blade that's inside of it, so I can use it more than one time, which is awesome. Oh, and I am willing to bet that this tail bag is by Rockin' Tail Bags, because there is a card inside the box and it says Rockin' Tail Bags, and I got a tail bag. That is so cool, and it actually matches the sleazy sleepwear body cover that I have for Pleasant. So how cool is that? It actually matches. These are really nice to have, again, especially before you go to a horse show, to keep your horse's tail nice and perfect, tangle-free and pretty before you go to the show. Or even if you just want to keep your horse's tail in really good shape and tangle-free, you can use it every day too. That is a really nice tail bag. It's Lycra, I think it's Lycra, but it's got some stretch to it, and it is pretty long, as you can see, so that will work great for Pleasant. And this is adorable. This is a coffee mug and it says eyes up and heels down. This will be awesome to have hot cocoa in because I love my hot cocoa, and now I have a really fun mug to put it in. And I know my horses will love this. This is a bag of Mana Pro carrot and spice nuggets or horse treats. And I like these treats because they are bite-sized, so I can actually give Frisbee one now and then since he can't really have a lot of sugar and we're being very careful with his diet. I know I can still give him one of these smaller treats on occasion and it won't interfere with his diet at all. And I also got a really nice brush. Now these brushes are great for manes and tails. I've had one of these brushes in the past and it worked really well. It didn't tangle in Pleasant's mane or tail, and I was able to easily work through any of the little tangles that happened without ripping out those precious little hairs. So that is a really nice addition to my grooming tote. All right, I have to say this is a really nice subscription box. So if you'd like to find out more of the Elite Equestrian Subscription Box, I have left a link in the description box down below so you can go check them out. And the young lady that brings us the Elite Equestrian Subscription Box is a young lady. And it's pretty exciting to see young equestrian entrepreneurs starting their own business. So I wish her the best of luck in her subscription box endeavor. I really liked it and I think it's a good subscription box. So if you're looking for a new subscription box, you might want to check out the Elite Equestrian. It's pretty nice. And I think that's about enough for me for today. This is the second video that I've released today because of the Equestrian Advent Calendar. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can watch all of my horse-related videos. And if you're a crafting type person or you like crafts, right now Christmas crafts, I've got a lot of that coming up too. So I will see you in tomorrow's video. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. You're going to get lots of videos, including one every day from now until December 24th. I'll see you tomorrow.